now. So me I send out a request to Anna, right? So I want to play a match with me. Sunday, Anna against Anna. Now Anna, I want to listen. You see, if me win, you have to come on a date with me for my birthday. If you win, you don't have to come. So Anna, may I repeat myself, your mother, Annie, right? May I ask you, and by the way, may I ask you to play a match with me Sunday. If me win, you have to come on a date with me, right? The 4th of June, the dinner date, and carry my grandson come meet me. If you win, you don't have to come, Anna. Right? I may send out this invitation to you right here upon live, and right me gonna make a video upon TikTok. Right? So Anna, make it a date. Don't be late, because I tell them the truth. We are come for you with steam. Alright, because I want you to do it with me. Alright? So if you accept this invitation, make back a video and tell me if you accept. Alright? Wanna say people, let me know what I want. Let me know what I want. Nobody are going to talk. The winning team are going to talk. The person will win and them are going to talk. Alright? Alright, guys. Remember, register for the match. Right? So, guys, register for the match for the 4th of June with me and Jaden. Alright? Alright. I'm not going to pay that no mind. Alright, me tell him this morning, said, alright then come and make we get for carry him to the dentist, guys. Him don't want to go. He keep on tell me no, he's stubborn, you understand? No, the shop locked for today, just come later on. Him no one come, him stubborn. Early me get up this morning, me ready, but remember say a private dentist, so you know some feel say afraid. I saw me did afraid for yeah, I feel no me still afraid a dentist, but afraid because the last night when they walk him, he talk about say yes babes. You see this man because look up pain gone, he full of big chat. You understand? I don't know him still him face the bad. Go which part? No, wait till later on he start again. You know him I gotta know, look for me, help him again for he stop. When you whop him now, yeah, no, yes babe, we go dentist a morning. Hey, one time still, you know, me not lie, you know, my teeth are whack me in and into bed, me go in a girl. Me say my wiggle go, and the dog me ball for out the door. And you know, say, in morning, yes, say morning, no, you know, me dip on my way, you know, say me I got dentist, you know, got kill me with the pan, have to take out it today. Yeah. You know, say me reaching a dentist, I say, it have hurt me. As me reach and bust the dentist. Hear me now, me I got me yard, me not bother do it. Me no bother do none. Guys, me no bother take out none. And got me yard. You have the girl here now? Yeah, I'm afraid, but he no want go. He no want go. I will go talk to him, make him go. That's all I can do is talk to him, guys. But if me and ball out tonight, watch me and him, I swear to God, we go start making noise and say, you see, and next thing, I have to go. Alright, you know what? Yeah, I'm not a bad looking man, I have a look of looks. Guys, you know, say, me did want to ask you a question. Wisdom teeth. Do you know say that hot? Guys, me soon come. Bye. Hold on, let me carry this.